Oh shit! Oh fuck! Try to pull him out.
Northeast Patrol Division officers were responding to the 6100 block of Piedmont Avenue to assist fellow officers in establishing a perimeter for a felony warrant suspect. As they were traveling northbound on Figueroa Street from Woodside Drive, they crashed with a pedestrian who was riding a skateboard southbound on Figueroa in the center median. The pedestrian was later identified as Gerardo Estrada.
Yeah, Christian Bailey, remember? Yeah, he's I don't know if or not, but I know a guy in Hawaii arrested him a while back. Oh, okay. He was like into like the whole legal theft, like kind of like stealing. Yeah, he's more like a thief. Yeah.
Oh shit! Oh fuck! Fuck me!
Following the traffic crash, the officers stopped to render aid and immediately requested a rescue ambulance. Moments later, the officers located Estrada wedged beneath a parked vehicle nearby. The officers removed Estrada from underneath the parked vehicle and began to render aid until paramedics arrived.
That's all that. Oh shit! Oh fuck! Fuck me! Oh shit! 11X97, can I have an RA respond to Woodside and Figueroa for Officer TC involved?
X97 is requesting a...
He's over here! He's over here! It was male, not conscious, not breathing, suffering from TC collision with vehicle. Then also have a super respond and the T unit.
Not conscious, not breathing.
Roger, not conscious, not breathing.
Let me move the car, bro.
Yeah.
Let me block the street, bro.
I'll
show you with you.
Start my camera.
Hey, cut the. Hey, cut the backpack.
I'll show you. Let me know when you're tired.
Oh wait, no, fuck. He's internal bleeding. We can't.
Yeah, he's internally bleeding. Here. Let me cut this, alright?
He's internally bleeding. So, hey, advice saying, all right.
Oh shit, dude! Oh fuck! Fuck me! Can I respond to Woodside and Figueroa?
Involved.
Fuck. Where's he at?
11X97 is requesting a correction. 11X97 goes to Woodside and Figueroa DC involved. One information
Hey, relax,
for the
man.
RA.
Male, not conscious, not breathing, suffering from TC collision with vehicle. They also have a super response.
Verify not conscious, not breathing.
Roger, not conscious, not breathing. Yeah,
Let me block.
yeah, go for it.
11X97 is requesting a T unit and a supervisor for TC involved Woodside and Figueroa instant 4035.
I know, hold on, man, wait. X97, can we also get a district unit response code 3?
11X97 requesting a district unit code 3. 1117 disregard.
Try to pull him out.
Good job, unit. I'm going to try to
Flip him. Hold up.
First Figueroa, 47 to North
I'll step in with you.
Start my camera.
It's on.
Los Angeles Fire Department paramedics responded to the scene and, despite life-saving measures, pronounced Estrada deceased shortly thereafter. The LAPD Traffic Coordination Division MCIT team was notified of the vehicle crash, resulting in the death of Estrada, and responded to the location to conduct this major traffic crash investigation.